Not sure if you can make Maggie in 2 minutes, but for sure, you can get to know about a smartphone in 2 minutes. What's up guys, Diction here back with an ultra fast video. Realme launched its latest flagship device Realme X2 Pro recently, strategically pricing it between Xiaomi's K20 Pro and OnePlus 7T. Let's get a quick dip into it. Retail box, what I have is the 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, costs around ₹29,999. Comes in blue and white colors. You also get a 12 256GB model. Opening up the box, these are the contents. Before we proceed, here is the technical specification for your reference. And here's the 360 view. I've been using this device for over a week and here's what I think. Build, well, Gorilla Glass 5 to the front and back and the metal frame gives it a premium and elegant look. It's grippy and weighs around 199 grams. The 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate is the best in this range. I'm super impressed. Also comes pre-applied with a screen guard. On the performance, Snapdragon 855 plus Adreno 640 GPU, 8GB RAM plus 128GB UFS 3 storage, you can't ask for more. Just throw anything and it handles it with ease. Full HD Amazon, Netflix content, yep. Gaming is a delight. No major heating. The software you get is ColorOS 6.1 on top of Android 9. Not a big fan of ColorOS, but that's just me. Next, cameras. The 64MP quad rear camera setup and the 16MP front camera, both with DIS, definitely impressed me. I will let the sample speak for itself. 20x hybrid zoom is insane. Battery. What you get is a dual setup, totally 4000 mAh capacity with 50 watts fast charging. That's the highlight. Charging 0 to 100% in 30 minutes, insane, and can give you a day's backup. Other things to mention, excellent call quality, super fast in-display fingerprint sensor, fast face unlock, good sound quality with dual speakers, extraordinary output via the 3.5mm slot, has all the needed sensors in it including NFC. Anything to crib about? Well, no FM radio, no notification LED, and the ColorOS is not my cup of tea. I feel it's a bit cluttered. Again, that's just me. Minus that, if you want a flagship experience below the 30k price range, then I'm sure with offers and stuff you get a good deal. The Realme X2 Pro definitely checks on most of the things a consumer will look for. Hope you got an idea about the Realme X2 Pro. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then.
What, Shan? You didn't say compact. Cheh, so we don't get an exclusive Diction comparison, right?
Well, even though I didn't say compact, as the video itself is compact, still let me give you all that exclusive Diction comparison. If I have to say, the phone is in the size of 3 10 rupees Surf Excel detergent bar. Yup, crazy but true. Another exclusive Diction comparison.